Hello, this is Andrew, and I usually do testing for Fishbowl VR, but today I'm testing outside normal conditions. Let's see. This is my streaming overlay. I don't stream that often, but it seems suitable to use. It's kind of late, but I fell asleep on the couch, so whatever. Let's do this. It complains that... let's try this again. It says I don't have the right controllers, which is interesting because I have motion controllers. Let's do this again. I seemingly can't change which controller has the laser. I wonder if this is SteamVR acting up. Yeah, I have no idea if... Let's check a different game. This does not report missing motion controllers. Yeah, I don't know. That happens anyway. Oh, we'll see. Ooh. Is it launching? I see the... Usually it minimizes the overlay. I don't see any executable for it active on the desktop. Oh, I guess it never launched. Let me restart SteamVR because I'm super annoyed that I can't get laser on the right controller, so maybe something is off. So one moment. I can't even... Ugh. Oh, how lovely my overlay looks without the input. Oh man. Maybe I should add a background for that. Maybe. In VR. There we go. Let's see. Oh, is my game banner broken? Maybe it's been online for too long. Oh no, I never launched the game. never activated. So right hand controller has a laser. This seems to be working. That is not working. No complaints. Something might be off in the metadata, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. Let's see downloads. Is the demo even downloaded? Wait. Manage demo. Validate content. 0 out of 0 bytes. Okay. Maybe the actual download failed? Huh. Yeah, this was not the intended progress of the test. Ready to play, it says. Still the wrong controllers. Let's launch this again. Steam Cloud error. Unable to sync your files for view Furballs. If you have launched this application from another computer, I haven't. I haven't even launched it yet. Launch anyway. Let's see. Nothing is running on my desktop again. Let's launch it from the on the Steam client, I guess. Oh, there it goes. It was just slow, apparently. Maybe there was some additional install in the background, maybe. Ooh. We are Furballs. That's a very interesting, an interesting logo, text, whatever, typography. What? I still see it on my screen. Oh, there we go. That was slow, but okay. Gamely. This does look interesting. So I usually do like first impressions. That's usually what testing is about, because we usually get to try a title once most of the time. Something that caught my eye, which was why I was silent in the beginning, was the outline. It kind of stood out. That's behind my wall, so that's a no-go. There's a clock on my touchpad. Guess I'm still in the intro. Oh, there we go. Grab a furball. Oh, wow, that is kind of hard to look at. I don't know why. I actually wanted to overlay the controller. I'm switching my eyes back and forth. I think I'm trying to hold my arm up. Apparently I can't do that. If this is neat. I think the ball itself is working all right, but I'm not sure if this is actually the case, but the outline, I think because the outline is dependent on the perspective for each eye, it actually ends up differing between the eyes. That's my hypothesis. It's really distracting when studying it in detail. Oh. Oh, so I can get it back if I lose it. I can get it back by pushing the tower. Okay. Yeah. There we go. This is a slingshot. Oh, that locks it into my hand. Okay. Oop. Swords. Locked. Exit, I guess. Settings. Bonus stuff, maybe? A camera. There's a lot of stuff here. I guess this is the weapon of choice. Yeah. These... I guess this is visual fidelity, like the graphics setting. No mirror. Windowed mirror and full screen mirror. That it does do the full screen now. I'm actually capturing the monitor or the headset mirror or monitor, whatever, with the capture plugin for OBS. So I think, yeah, I'm. At one point in the past, I deactivated the screen, the monitor mirror, and that would actually turn off the actual headset mirror as well, so I will not touch that. Mixed reality with green screen? I guess this might be an external camera control. Floating headset? Oh. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to decipher the settings. Well, let's push the... Oh. I'm not used to hold to activate. That was like common when we only had headset tracking, because then you could often have like just a beam out of your head and it would time to activate. But that was quick enough, so not that big of a problem, I think. I'm not sure just how many steps I did there. Up, up, up. So I guess I'm... Oh, that was the whole level? Okay. An achievement for the first level, okay. Oh man. High score maybe? This is the global... This is friends, I guess. Yeah. Am I 5th among my friends? I think it just... Oh, it shows the global... But I filter on friends, I guess. So it's still the same list, okay. I need to... Oh, I guess this is the local one. So those are my initials, conveniently enough. Save? I don't know. Let's see what the next one is. Seems I buried the controller into my shoulder, which messed things up. Oh, so do I have a limited amount of balls, or is it just like antimatter that they will? Hmm. I think it might be my controller because this one has the broken touchpad issue and it's been in for repairs, and I think it's giving up again. I will be replacing it shortly, but yeah. It's a weird feeling having a wonky... Oh, you get extra score for your leftover furballs. That makes sense. I guess it makes sense to have all the iconography, but there's still strings to translate for localization if you wanna publish it like in Asia, I guess. So different color. Oh, now we're mixing it up. Okay. So blue balls on blue walls. I just see all these blue. I'm not sure anymore what I'm doing. I guess I can destroy those. Right, yeah. And these for the grey ones. I'm not sure what this actually... no. Maybe I should shoot those on the red guys, which this doesn't help telling me, so I'm not so sure. I wonder what that blue thing is. Is this in any kind beneficial? I wonder. I think that is a loss. So I guess it's more about just killing off the red dudes, but maybe they are somewhat hidden? So there's one in there. So I guess that makes sense. You need to use the right colors to pick off either obstructions or the actual enemies. Oh, I need to get all of them. This is putting some pressure on me. I wanted to get 2 walls in one, but that didn't happen. They do die from fall damage, so that's nice. Yes. Oh, so okay, so I can actually just destroy what they're standing on. I need to fix my controller. This starts to make sense. No! Feels like difficulty spiked quite a bit. Maybe it's part of the demo experience. I wonder what the eye does. Huh. Oh, I can take a closer look. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. 1, 2, 3. There are 8 of them. Maybe that is actually... Wow, this one is really wonky. Can I see how many there are from the beginning? Or is that... Oh yeah, there we go. 8 of them. Okay. Hawkeye. Wow. I have this. I'm sorry that my controller is so messy. It's almost. I seem to have some. The right controller is definitely giving out. Still seem to have some frame drops or whatever. I like the slingshot. It's a bit more relaxed than just throwing. And I've never been a good thrower. Does that destroy like everything that it touches? Because that feels like a way too big explosion. I finished it, and I was kind of experimenting, but yeah. Let's see what this button does. Oh, it's the level select menu, okay. Oh, that was the exit. Oh, that's the amount of stars. Yeah. Not sure what to do for 3 stars. Maybe it's finishing it in the first try. Or something. Hitting them directly is more points? Is it? What happens if I destroy... I don't think that's summed up to 500 now, so... Oh, please, controller. Come back. My wonky controller is completely amazing. Oh, I see physics objects. So this... I never played like Roblox or whatever, but I get a sneaking feeling this is kind of similar. So a direct hit is definitely beneficial score-wise. Only 5 of them, and there are 7? I guess that means that... How do I get the ball? Like... This is a carousel, or maybe? Is that a button? Should I pop the balloons so this one falls down on the... yeah, this is... Or is this a portal? There's a whole bunch of weird stuff going on here. That looks like a cannon? Getting back to the outline, it works at a distance. It's like when you get up close. Kind of weirds me out, but that makes sense because your convergence value is so much higher when close up. Or the convergence disparity. Is that an expression? I don't know. It does turn me around. Yeah. I was wondering. what was going on. So let's try to pop the balloon. Okay. Let's try to bump the carousel. No. Maybe this teleports what I shoot at it. Yep. That was with more force than I had anticipated. Oh, the blue ones are just... they don't kill materials. Okay. So... still not sure how to trigger the yellow one. Oh, it's... okay, okay. Oh, restart, restart. At least the restart is super quick. I'm not sure if I think I can just press this and it restarts immediately. No? Oh, I haven't started because I haven't done anything, so... yeah, there we go. Well, that's nice because it feels kind of like... trial and error thing? Kind of? I think I need to get that ladder. What? I guess the ball fell through the portal and destroyed this one as well. That was not my intention. Still not sure what that. Let's try to hit the thing. It's a repulsor magnet thing. Okay. Wow. This is a launch vibe, so it's quite worn out, really. I have the fortune to win a new vibe. I have a second one in the couch. I'm kind of using this until it breaks, it seems. Sometimes internet contests actually work, which is a surprise. I figured it would kill that one and fly through the portal, but no. Let's see if I can actually do that. Oh, come on. Yeah, so that feels good. That was a combo shot. I think I should probably have gotten the ladder and the platform at the same time. I am not sure now. Can I... how much can I... that actually worked. That was a nice surprise. I wonder if the angle towards the portal matters. Let's see how this works. Is that it? That is actually quite satisfying. Especially it's the... oh, the walls are adjusted to my play space. That is really nice. Huh. So I can actually move around my whole space and aim as I like. I think that is really nice. Also, thank you for saving my initials so I don't have to type it in every single time. Are these the same home and settings? Am I teleporting around the same space but at different sizes? Yeah, this is on my wish list. I will get it eventually. I just have so many games I haven't played yet, so I'm trying to restrict my purchasing habits. I'm just clicking through these without thinking because I'm talking at the same time. I'm not good at doing two things at the same time. Guess these are the kinds of balls. I think These do also the walls, and this one does not. Oh, I guess these are modes, and this is the only. Wait. Is this? Oh, TNT. Oh, I knew that would miss. Oh. I wonder if the... Oh, it despawned just as I would hit it. Oh, wait, are the balloons color-coded? I don't think so. Oh, there's a ton of points on the red ones. Is this time-based? I'm not sure what I'm... Oh, seconds, I see them. So I think it's beneficial to aim for the enemies. Tennis racket, baseball bat, golf club. Is that a trebuchet? No. Drones. Well, this seems very fleshed out. Quite interesting. Boink. So these are a bunch, I guess, mini games. So this is the main game mode, yeah. There are t-shirts? What's the other link? Oh. I can join Discord from... You can create levels! There's workshop support. This is way more fleshed out than anything would suggest. Huh. And it's early access still? That's hard to believe, but okay. Oh, it opens in the Steam browser. I am most certainly not logged in. No, I'm... Oh! Oh, it opened the Steam page. Okay, what happens if I click this button? Continue to Discord. Okay. So now I actually have the trailer playing in the background. Okay, but that makes sense. Yeah, this was really good. I'm surprised. Mostly because I don't think it's... Oh, oh, please, it's so noisy. I mean, I'm 30 plus and it looks like a super cutesy game. But yeah, it feels like it has quite some depth anyway. That's the weird part with VR, that anything can be compelling regardless of how it looks. Let's take this off. Yeah, so it's the appearance of the game itself feels like it's a kiddie game, but then how many kids have VR? It's a bit interesting. I think let's go back to the Reddit page, which window? Is it? Yeah. Better opinion of the game than its Steam store page. So this here. I hope I'm still audible. I mean, puzzle games in VR are already one of my favorite genres because the mental load that solving a puzzle does makes me forget that I'm in VR because it's just taking up so much resources solving the puzzle. My brain just accepts the VR world as reality. I realized this when I got a really I played a different game called Colorize, and you're on a platform, and I was almost stepping off the platform backwards, and I did this "I'm gonna die flailing with my arms" thing, just uh, automatically. So that was interesting. Um, Physics-based demolition puzzle game. I mean, in the very beginning of the demo, I was like, "Oh, this is just target shooting. That seems really boring, or just rehashed." But then when at first I didn't understand why I would be have walls for different kinds of walls, but in the last level, it all made sense. It all clicked. Um, so I hope more. I hope most people stay in that long, and they don't judge it on just like the first or two levels. I hope people have more patience than that, because I think that last level really showcased the kind of depth a puzzle can have and kind of the more advanced mechanics. I bet there are even more mechanics I haven't seen, but it's still quite a few things. Uh, Nothing was like incomprehensible. Maybe the settings was a bit hard to understand. Uh, yeah. Uh, Cloud saves, that's really nice. So many games. This game seems so fully featured. I don't really see why it's in early access. Maybe it's feature complete but not content complete. I don't know. I haven't read the early access. Uh, People usually write their project plan or whatever. Why early access? Tell doesn't send your own level. We may select it to be part of the 20 missing levels. Ah, okay. But that's just content that's missing. So that's pretty nice. Give us feedback so you can keep improving it. Oh, this is a long list. Uh, the early access description does not contain the Discord link. That might be nice. It might be elsewhere. I don't know. I guess it's in the forum, maybe. Uh, huh. Yeah, let's see what other things. Is the demo too long or too short? Um, that is the question, because I mean, now it kind of the you can't learn it much quicker, I think, without getting super confused. I think the end level was really what showed it off. The question is exactly how far people play in the demo. Hopefully you have some kind of analytics built in, just showing how far people get in the demo. Not sure how common that is in gaming. I make mobile apps and we always have some kind of analytics built in, just to see how many views every activity gets, etc. Yeah. Um, let's see. Does the demo show too much or too few levels, I guess? The first one was just killing one dude. And the second one was Now I have a hard time remembering all the levels, I think, because I messed around a bit with the interface. I think there was 4 levels, or was there more? I don't remember anymore. I'm so tired. It's 5 minutes to midnight. Too hard or too easy? I think it was just hard enough. I definitely want to play more. Again, I have way too many games. I bought too much. This problem started at the summer sale last year, 2017. There was just too many games, and I bought too many games, and I have still not launched some of the games I bought 8 months ago. There are too many VR games. I never thought that would be a problem. But okay. But yeah, this is definitely being. This is in my shopping list for the next time I do a batch purchase. That's usually how how I do it. I just go through my wish list and I pick off a bunch of games, and that's it. Yeah. But yeah, this was really a positive experience for sure. The only negative part was probably the confusing iconography for the settings, or not confusing, but maybe obscure. I don't know. I didn't understand everything anyway. There might be an FAQ or maybe a manual here on Steam. Includes level editor. That is really interesting. I need to try that out. View discussions. View guides. No guides. That might be an idea. But I don't know how many people actually know there are guides on Steam. But it's in the community part of the page, Steam page. Yeah. Is a VR headset necessary? Mhm. I don't know, FaceTime. VR. No, 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 no. Yeah, I guess that's it. This will be unlisted on YouTube. That's usually what happens with all my testing videos. I hope this wasn't too long. I will add a few timestamps, but if you see this, you have already watched all of it, or just the end. I don't know. I'll add some timestamps in the description. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks. Bye bye.